Lesson 1 Globe, a model of the earth. Do you know what is the shape of the earth? The earth is round in shape. It is slightly flat at the poles and bulges at the equator. Look at this picture. Do you know what is it? It is a globe. As you learnt in earlier classes, the globe is a model of the earth. The globe shows us the shape and the location of the continents, oceans and seas on a smaller scale. It also shows the shape and location of different countries. We can see only half the globe at a time. To see the other half, we have to turn it around. It can be turned around on a line passing through it. This line is called the axis. This is an imaginary line. The axis of the globe has two endpoints, the North Pole and the South Pole. Star fact: the photographs taken from the space have confirmed that the earth is round in shape. अर्थ की पिक्स ली गई थी जिससे हमें पता चला कि अर्थ का शेप कैसा है, गोल है, राउंड है. Latitudes. Look at the globe. You will see full circles. They run from east to west. These are called lines of latitude. They are also called parallels. Why they are called parallels? Because they run at an equal distance. उनके बीच में एक बराबर distance होता है. The equator is the longest and the most important line of latitude. It runs in the middle of the globe. It divides the earth into two equal parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The portion which is north of the equator is called the northern hemisphere. जो ऊपर वाला पार्ट है उसको कहते हैं northern hemisphere. The portion which is south of the equator is called the southern hemisphere. जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा है उसको कहते हैं southern hemisphere. Now let's study in detail about latitude. The lines of latitudes or parallels are marked in degrees. The lines of latitude start at the equator. कहाँ से शुरू होती हैं ये? Equator से शुरू होती हैं. The equator is at 0 degree. The North Pole is 90 degree north and the South Pole is 90 degree south. The parallels in the northern hemisphere are marked 10 degree north, 20 degree north and so on. The parallels in the southern hemisphere are marked 10 degree south, 20 degree south and so on. Important parallels. They are the Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree north, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, Equator is at 0 degree, Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degree south and the Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree south. You can understand these lines better seeing this picture. सबसे ऊपर वाला सर्कल है ब्लू कलर का, उसे वो है आर्टिक सर्कल. उसके नीचे है ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर ग्रीन कलर में, और बीच वाला जो पोर्शन है दैट इज़ पीच कलर, दैट इज़ द इक्वेटर, और उसके नीचे ग्रीन सर्कल में है ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, और फिर सबसे छोटा सर्कल है ब्लू वाला, दैट इज़ एंटार्क्टिक सर्कल. Lines of longitude. Look at the globe. You will find semicircles joining the North Pole and the pole. These are called lines of longitude or meridians. Latitude को क्या कह रहे थे? Parallels. Longitude को क्या कह रहे हैं? Meridians. Meridians are also imaginary lines. Like latitudes, they are also imaginary lines. They are numbered from 0 to 180 degree. Latitudes कितने थे? 0 to 90 degree. All meridians are equal in length. The meridian passing through Greenwich near London is taken as the starting line. It is 0 degree latitude. It is called the prime meridian. Longitude to the east of Greenwich are called east longitude. and those to the west are called west longitude. There are 360 longitude, that is 180 longitude to the west of the prime meridian and 180 to its east. Grid. The latitude and longitude intersect each other at right angles. Right angles means 90 degrees and form a network. This network is called grid. जहाँ पर ये latitude और longitude intersect करते हैं वो एक network बनाते हैं और उस network को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Grid. The grid helps us in locating places. हमें कहीं पर भी कोई भी place locate करने में हमारी मदद ग्रिड करता है. For example, if we want to locate Pondicherry, we must know its latitude and longitude. The place where these two cross each other is Pondicherry. So students, I hope now it is clear to you what is a globe, what are latitudes and longitude, and what is grid. Now read the chapter and try to solve the exercise given after the lesson on page number 8 and 9. Okay, thank you.